Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, also known as Withania somnifera or Indian ginseng, is a popular adaptogenic herb used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. It is native to India, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka and has been used for centuries to promote overall well-being. Ashwagandha is known for its potential health benefits and is commonly used as a dietary supplement. Here are 10 possible health benefits of ashwagandha. Stress reduction, energy and vitality, cognitive function, sleep support, immune support, anti-inflammatory effects, hormonal balance, sexual health, blood sugar regulation, antioxidant activity. While ashwagandha offers potential health benefits, it's important to note that individual responses may vary. It's always